Uy, ang daming saging. Saging yan lahat? Wow.
Pila sila sa pera.
Ang daming saging. Lots of saging. Banana. And the monkeys are waiting. So we're waiting here until they will call us to go inside that entrance. So ilalagay ni Joe Clark C ang kanyang sasakyan papunta doon at kami maglalakad sabay doon sa entrance ng mga entrance ng mga tao. Kasi last time red carpet. Last time si Joe Clark C, Joe Clark C talaga. Siya lang yung allowed na pumunta doon sa loob ng Kukalyong ship. Merong nangyayaring entertainment sa aming unahan. So ayan. One more, boys. So, this is our barge. Ayan, may papasok na naman dito sa loob. So, ito yung aming bed. Makakasurvive kami kahit saan. Sa second floor kami.
Few minutes from now, we shall depart Port of Surigao and will be bound for Cebu. As we are about to depart, the officers and crew would like to inform you, in order to avoid any losses, such as your cell phones, jewelries, gadgets, and other valuables. We strongly remind you to secure it and don't leave your things unattended. If you need any assistance, please do not hesitate to approach any of our crew, who are ready to attend your needs. In behalf of our captain, Julio Bundalo, Chief Engineer, Paul Patarlas, Chief Officer Edgardo Caga, and the entire crew of MV Philippines Cebu, wishing you an enjoyable trip. Once again, good evening.
Good evening. So, ito yung mapa ng Pilipinas. Tingnan mo kung nasaan kami. Tingnan nyo. General Santos City to Davao and to Surigao. Yan. Umabot kami sa Surigao. And then, ito na yung barko. Nandito na kami sa gitna ng ocean. Going to Cebu. See you, Cebu. Papunta sa Cebu. Where's Cebu? Somewhere there, Cebu. Bohol, Cebu City. Ayan. So, we will reach Cebu City around 4 in the morning. Good morning. Yes. 2. Almost 2. 1:35 in the morning. Kami nagutom. Kumain kami ng buong. Saan na tayo? So, nandito na kami. Malapit na kami sa Lapu-Lapu City. So, natutulog pa yung mga kasamahan namin. Kaya lang nagutom kami. So, we are eating this food. Doon na saan tayo?
Sa
Tingnan nga niyang magandang application. Saan tayo? Ano yan?
Ano yung Caobian Island?
Anong ibig sabihin yan? Red.
Ito yung boat. Yung destination natin dito.
Wow, malapit na, no?
So ito yung mga pinpoint. Ito yung fishing spots namin.
Balot. Pag nahihilo ka, nahiga lang. Parang pinuduyan ka ng barko. See you, Cebu. So it's 3:18 in the morning. And papasok na kami ng Cebu City. Sa route na to. In the middle. Ayan na, nasa bridge na kami ng
Marcelo del Pilar.
Marcelo del Pilar.
Beach.
Welcome back to Cebu. This is the bridge. Nakatakot kasi, Beb. Yan na yung bridge. It's a sign na nasa Cebu City na kami. Ayun na yung isang bridge.
Orange na kami.
Ay, saan ka
Safe
pa?
na.
one of the longest bridge sa Cebu. Hindi pa siya tapos. Maybe when I come back here, matatapos na tong bridge na to. Let's see. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Welcome to Cebu province. So we parked the car here and my husband went there. Time check, it's 5:10 in the morning. And meron siyang finifill upan doon for the safety of everyone. Salamat, Sukran. Thank you, Kitos. Welcome to Cebu City. Ang galing-galing naman. I love you. 1, 2, 3. Ayan. And we will live happily ever after.